While the footage went viral of Tinashe Gapa grabbing Dow Kotat C mobile phone during the CAB 3 public hearings, the real story lies in the unprecedented reaction from the party's top brass. Patrick Chinamasa's swift threat to expel Gapa is not a sign of ZANU-PF's newfound morality, but rather a desperate attempt to manage a PR disaster during a sensitive constitutional amendment hearing. Sadapena mashuko mlanyo kwa pangwa ile tiona Chinamasa achipindura pamusoro penawo awa yekubewa kwefoni yaDouglas Costa not subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tipinda hapana pamna mobile kwa mchinzi. The reaction from ZANU-PF headquarters was unusually swift and severe. Patrick Chinamasa, the party treasurer general and a key architect of its legal strategies, issued a stern warning that as sent ripples through the party's structures. Chinamasa insisted that the ruling party is no room for phone stealers. The ruling ZANU-PF has indicated that Central Committee member Lakmo Nashegapa could face internal disciplinary action if allegations that he snatched a mobile phone from lawyer Douglas Costa are proven in court. Chinamasa stated. He further elaborated that the party will not have room for someone convicted of snitching or stealing cell phones from members of the public, even if the victims are politically opponents. However, seasoned observers of Zimbabwean politics suggested that this principled stance is a calculated move to protect the image of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, known as the crocodile, with the government pushing for constitutional changes that would extend presidential terms. The last thing the party needs is a high-profile criminal case involving one of its own leaders by threatening Gapa with expulsion. The top brass is attempting to distance the presidency from the hooliganism that has come to define the party's ground-level operations. Doma developments alipopangwa ile tiona ZANU-PF jizama kuprotecta Gapa, but evidence ilipo clear videos have been circulated achinyasa kugrepa the phone. Pena comment section medu za fungura imo tulipa msirve chitu page. Sawa na subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.